Hi, I'm Hank, and my team and I make science videos on the YouTube channel SciShow. We've made a lot of videos about ordinary, everyday things because honestly, the science that makes those things work is sometimes really cool. Take diapers. If you've ever seen a full diaper, you know that they can hold a lot of liquid, but the liquid doesn't pour out, and that's because of chemistry. I mean, most things in the world happen because of chemistry, but diapers are no exception. Anyway, you can try this experiment to see why. For this, you'll just need a plastic cup, some water, and some water gel. The instructions here are pretty simple. First, add about half a teaspoon of water gel into your plastic cup, then add a little bit of water and wait to see what happens. Ooh. When I added water to my cup, my water gel got much bigger. Materials like this are what make disposable diapers work. And the science behind it all is something called osmosis. This is where water moves through a barrier. In this case, the water moved inside the water gel and got trapped, and that made the gel expand. This activity is a great way to demonstrate what water gel does, but there are much cooler activities you can try with it. If you want to learn more, you can read on in your instruction booklet or keep watching. Okay, now it's time for some fun. You can use water gel to perform a magic trick for your friends and family. Then, when you're done, you can teach them about osmosis. Here's the trick. You will need some water gel, 3 plastic-colored cups, and some water. Your Universe Unboxed kit comes with 3 cups, but if you're using your own, make sure they're different colors or you can tell them apart somehow, and that they are opaque. First, stack your cups one on top of the other. If you're using the cups from your kit, make sure the yellow one is on top. Then add about half a teaspoon of water gel into your yellow cup and move it to the bottom of the stack. Next, gather your audience. Tell them that their goal is to follow the cup with the water inside. Once you're ready to start, pour a little bit of water into the top cup. I'm using my red cup here. Then unstack your cups and set them in a line. I recommend doing this on a table or counter so your audience can't see so much what's inside the cups. Now go ahead and start moving your cups around, trying to confuse your audience, making it hard for them to follow which cup the water is in. But they're gonna think they know, right? Because it was in the red cup the whole time, right? Well, as you go, every now and again, have the audience try and guess which cup the water is in. Since you only have 3 cups, they will probably remember, but that's okay. Finally, pick up the cup you put the water in and announce that you're just not gonna be able to fool your audience, but you're going to try one more time. Then pour the water into the yellow cup that contains the water gel. Mix the cups around one more time, and then stop and ask your audience to find where the water is. They will probably remember that it is in the yellow cup. When they say it's in the yellow cup, slowly turn over the red cup, and then slowly turn over the blue cup, and then finally, turn over the yellow cup. When no water comes out, and your audience will be amazed. When you're ready, you can lift up that yellow cup, you can tap it, you can shake it. The water gel will eventually fall out. There it is. And you can explain the science behind how it happened. In the last few experiments, I haven't used very much water. That's because I didn't need to. These activities are great with just a little bit of it. Still, it does make you wonder how much stuff water gel can absorb. In this activity, I challenge you to find out for yourself. Grab some water gel, a large plastic bag, and a bunch of water. Add 1 teaspoon of gel to your plastic bag, and then add half a cup of water. If you think the water gel can absorb more, keep adding more liquid, half a cup at a time until the water gel looks all slushy. Once you reach that point, your gel can't absorb anything else. I recommend writing down your results as you go using a table like the one included in your instruction booklet. How much did your water gel absorb? Let us know in the comments, then try one more activity to learn how to destroy all the water gel you just made. Whether you did one of these water gel experiments or all of them, you probably have some gel to get rid of. You do not want to put it down the drain because it could keep expanding in your pipes, and that might be a problem. So instead, you could just dump it in the trash, but you could also destroy it. And I think that sounds like more fun. To do this, you'll need salt, water, a sealable plastic bag, and some water gel. If you haven't done any of the other water gel experiments, first go ahead and make some gelled water. Add about half a teaspoon of water gel to your plastic bag, then add a little bit of water and wait for it to be absorbed. Once you're ready, add some salt to the plastic bag. Then seal the bag and squish everything around to mix it up. Science. When I added salt to my water gel, it just all fell apart. That's because the salt sucked the water straight out of the gel. This happened because the water inside of the gel was more attracted to the salt than to the water gel, so all the water rushed out of the water gel and turned your mixture into liquid slush. Do you think you could turn this mixture back into solid water gel? Leave us your prediction in the comments and let us know why.